Education isn't just about learning, it's a powerful force that transforms entire communities. Every classroom, every lesson, every opportunity contributes to a better tomorrow. Together, we can break barriers and build stronger communities through education.